Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain classes and objects in Python in easiest way. So stick with me and enjoy the whole video. Okay, so before we start coding, let me quickly explain why they are important. Classes and objects are the concepts of object-oriented programming. We use class to create multiple objects, but why we are using them? We're using them to make our code more maintainable and to identify errors. Okay, that's enough. Now let me give you the basic idea of what we are going to code. Here we are making a class robot which will have two objects, bot1 Tom and bot2 Jerry, which will further have two properties, name and color of bots. To understand more clearly, let's code now. Let's create our class robot. First letter of the robot should be capital. So init is the constructor in Python used to create properties, name like name and color, and self is used to access those properties. Now we are going to create functions. Def in Python is used to create functions. We are going to call these functions later on. First, print robot's name is plus self.name. This will print robot's name. Now defining function 2. This will print robot's name and its color. Now let's create our objects. Bot1 is an object of parent class robot. Inside this we are mentioning bot name Tom and bot's color blue. Similarly, bot2 is an object of parent class robot with name Jerry and color brown. So here we successfully created our objects. The last step is remaining. So by this code we are accessing objects by calling functions. Here self.name is Tom and here self.name is Jerry and self.color is brown. So that's it guys. If you like this video then please do share with your friends and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more cool videos.